Okay, sorry it's not zooming in because this is the selfie camera, because the forward camera quality comes out crap on YouTube, so this will get better quality. It's the best quality I have, so... Okay, let's turn the TV on. This is not mine, this is my mom's. I'm giving it to her for an early birthday present. Let's plug this bad boy in. And let's use the HDMI cable first and see how it goes. Plug it into number 2. We're going to switch this to HDMI 2. Sorry, I'm in the way. Let's insert the batteries. See, it looks just like mine, except I don't think mine does HDMI. Plus is positive, minus is negative. For those of you who don't know. Okay, it says press enter to run quick setup. Press clear to erase this message. I'm gonna press clear. I know how to do it. Oh. Clear. Clear. Clear! Fine, I'll press enter if that makes you happy. Where's the enter button? I think it's the center. Where is there an enter button? Enter, enter, enter. The hell? Oh, let's just... We need a DVD. I'm gonna go get a DVD over here. Sorry, you can't... Alright, I'm gonna get a homemade DVD so that way I don't do copyright. Let's see. Shine. We'll do a movie I made when I was a few years ago and put it in here. I highly doubt it'll work, but let's give it a go. And I'm gonna mute the TV so I don't cause copyright crap. YouTube these days. Actually, maybe... That was me right there. That's me on the keyboard. Let's try AV next. You can enjoy the music. Again, this sounds like blues, but let's plug the other one in. I'm not testing a regular DVD because otherwise it'll cause, you know, I don't want to get in trouble. Plug this one out. What? Oh crap. Come on, plug in, you stupid thing. Okay. Oh, and you see I copied this. It's a recut of the film I made. That's why the quality's a little low. Okay. Again, this is not meant for copyright infringes. I own this. I composed this song. It may sound similar, but it's really all mine. You can copy your own DVDs too. Alright, enough. Let's try AV now. Maybe it's also playing on AV. And it is. So yeah, this does work. All right. Now, and that's just about it. So that's my unboxing of Sony DVD player. It's the best ones they make these days. Oh, the camera's crooked. Now I'm gonna pack this up and give it to my mom, and actually I'll put it away in her house for her. I'm gonna go over in this monsoon weather and then pack it away for her. I'll just save it for her birthday. Okay? Alright guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay out of trouble. Okay, bye. Bye now.